Yoweri Museveni. You have message? You have message for him? Do you have message for him? Huh? Okay. Can you speak a little bit in English? Huh? You understand English? You can speak English? Huh? He can speak English?
She cannot.
Huh?
Let me speak.
Yes, speak.
It's ABCD.
Yeah.
What were you saying about the president?
She's a good president.
Yes, I know. What were you talking about him?
Vote him. Everybody vote this man.
Oh, okay.
Satisfied.
Okay, all the best. Okay.
Yeah, it's a good English.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So he was telling you guys to vote for the current president, which is Museveni, guys. So he's available here, and he's the one taking the lead. So I don't want to dive so much into the politics, guys. Yes.
Content anyone.
Yeah.